Steve, welcome to my shop. I'm Too Friendly Cool Wood Stuff. On this week's video I'm going to look at some of my cheapish clamps. They've all got issues and they need some attention. These little sort of squeeze clamps here, they seem to have jumped out of the pin inside and it just spread, so we're going to see what we need to do. Do we fix them or do we forget them? The other is some of my F-clamps. These sort of plastic sort of covers that are on them, I find them a real pain. One is that they drop off, and two is that the bottom ends up splitting, then dropping off, and then you've got metal onto your wood, which then produces a very ugly mark, so you end up having to put a block inside. So I'm going to see if we could do something to improve that. And that goes with the larger F-clamps as well. That's the same sort of problem down there. These have once again sit on there, they break off and don't offer any protection. Hopefully there's some tips here that can help, and hopefully I can find out what we need to do, because this is new territory for me. So looking at this, it's just a little plastic boss on each side, and or a plastic tenon, and then a recess or a hole in the lever that sits around it. Very simple. No particular reason why it's actually gone. Just seems to be slipping off the, or maybe I just need to find a way how to tighten that up a little bit more. I don't know if you can see this. I'll get it a bit closer. So what you've got these little bosses on there. That one's broke off. So you stick that through there. And it's just giving it a weak point, so it's just flexing out. I think we need to glue that little boss back on. On there. We'll give that a try. I quite like the idea of these ones here, which is they've got a little pin. I found a bit of a bar, and what we'll do, we're going to pin it through, all the way through, and then we'll epoxy pin in place. And then that should be pretty solid, I think.
Physics tells me that you need a bigger
That's 5 of those done, all working well.